What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Roblox video. It's been a while since we did a anniversary vid, and we are officially in the Halloween update. Halloween 2020. Today is Halloween, so happy Halloween, everybody. Yep, it is the 31st, and whew. Okay, so I think the update for so that's the murder, obviously. So stay back, please. Wasn't that? Yeah, it was that guy. Okay, so I'm gonna just skirt him around. Yeah, go out there. Die, dude. Just die. Holy, why me? Wait, there's no way. There is no way he killed me from that angle. I can care less if I died. Welcome to the mm2 Halloween update, and this is not fake. It's 100% real. You know, I'll wear this. Ooh, tickets. Oh. Wow. Wow. GG, kids. Alright. So, see, the whole Halloween thing has been changed. We are in a whole other freaking thing. Part 2. Portal opened and temporarily delayed. Check back 2. So once this happens, we can go through the portal, and it'll take us right back to our normal map. Our normal thingy. So I don't think we got any new maps, but I'll see if I can figure out, because usually in the previous map there's a secret way to get in somewhere. And I want to see if I can do that. Okay, can't really, but yeah. So, it doesn't look like there's any secret areas you can walk through now. But this is where we go. This is pretty sweet, guys. Can't get any better than this. I mean, like, look at this. Woo! That looks nice. I'm just hammering right now. Alright, great. Ow. Alright, kids. I already have that knife, I think. Yep, there it is. Yo, get me in the car. I'm out, boys. I'm out. Jeez. OMG, you're yes. I can tell it's sarcasm when they said OMG. They actually let me say that? I know, I'm not a retard. Yeah, here, they let me say retard. Roblox, chill with the chat. Like, come on, you gotta just at least get rid of that word. Like, come on. Yuri, it's my candy. Call. Woo! Okay, there's a lot of candy up there, so I'm not trying to see that. If she follows me, she sus. Okay, we're good. We're good, she ain't sus. Oh, guns down. I'm gonna get the gun. Hopefully no one camps. Says she's a camper. That's a camper. That's how you know when someone's a camper. Oh, someone got the gun. Not for long. Yeah, I'm out. Jeez. Making it look like I left, but really I just went around. I can care less about wins, but I need coins, so. Holy, end of the rounds are buttloaded with coins. Boys, we out. Okay, my coin bag is officially full. Okay, I got the gun. Okay, I can care less if I die. I just got coins, so. I got max coins, so hopefully. Actually, hold up. I want to just sit up here and see what happens. Yeah. We killed each other. Okay, is my friend they're like gonna be like, come on. That was actually kind of cool. So slick. You know as well, boys. Guys, I'm in now. Don't kill me. Okay, that green guy's what it says. He's following me. I shall. Bro, what the? Guys, I go. Oh. Give me. Oh, thank goodness. I just walk right into him. That'd be funny. Oh, because there's a body right there. It's also dark, so. Just collect coins over the guy's dead body. Oh, this guy's not murderer? Oh, he is. Oh. Rip. Okay, candy exchange. I have 108 candies. How much coins do I have? I have 901. I have 101. Well, no, I'm 108. Okay. Boy, we buying a pack. I want to buy this one, but I can't because I don't have enough. And these look cool. Wow, these look cool. Holy. Those look nice. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna buy a pack after the round. You know, maybe we can get some more coins on the way so we can buy some more stuff. Yay, I'm so slick. I'm slickety slick. It's a habit. Oh my god, I thought you said, by the way, I'm a boy on a sus account. That's funny. Of course, it's an alibi. Huh. Bro, look at those sus. Oh my god, there's a naked lady. Oh, I do not want to get demonetized in Roblox, so that's kind of... There. There's a naked girl. Okay, well, you let me say that. I understand. Can't trust you. Okay, so it gives you 5 coins for those glowy ones. So see, normal, it gives you 1. And then the glowy ones, no, those ones over here. I'll see if I can get to that one. Or, that's normal. That glowy one that I ran into, let's see if I can get another one. If I can find another one, let's check this one. Let's see in here. Wow. Okay, yeah, those are the special ones. They give me 5? Yeah, they give me 5. They give me 5 each. Yo, oh! Bro, chill. Oh, naked lady, or boy. Me. Ah! I don't want to fall because that's sus. Oh my god, get away, you creep. The freaking series not even loaded in. Whew, you creep. Creep 101. Creep 101. Nope. Okay. Mud. Oh my gosh. Not mud. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's the murder. That's the murder. Kill naked lady. Why? Why me? Why is it always me? I heard he follows me, just me, only. He's sus. My God. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow. GG, Brandy. Yeah, you guys probably won't get that reference. Okay, so we're gonna go to weapons. I almost unboxed a dolly the other, like probably 2 months. And then you can get a Death Sergeant one, and I'm gonna open this one. Turn on. Here we go. Come on. I'm probably not even gonna get a godly. No, nowhere near godly, but hey. Bro, what the freaking ripple? I got bleached. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Psych! That's gross. Alright. Now you're gonna be murdering this video? What a loser. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video off right now. I will see you all, and tell me in the comments what you dress up for as Halloween, because I know with Halloween people just dress up, go trick-or-treating, all that fun stuff. So comment down below what you dressed up as for Halloween, because Halloween is today. It's 5:06 p.m. Oh my God! How did I catch that on my? Oh, I'll throw it on the knife, huh? Hey! No offense. Okay? Get over. Oh my God! No way! How did I get out of that? Oh my God! Now that's us. GG, Brandy. Okay, the gun's right there. That was disturbing. Oh my God. Dang it! Bro, the lag that guy has, I bet. Okay, so I'm gonna end it off here. So we kind of got a little unboxing here. Not that good of a knife. I got 2 of them. Here. Here, I know I want for a knife. Anyone want for a knife? Ooh. Anyone wants a free knife? Does anyone want a free knife? Does anybody want a free knife? Does anybody want a free knife? Come on, who doesn't want a free knife? Come on, last chance. Anyone. Alright, I'll see you all in the next one, because I don't have time to record this round. Alright, I'll see you all in the next one.